Hi guys, welcome to this channel. And in this video, we are going to see the difference between sum and SUMX function inside DAX. And we will also see how to use it in our report. So let's start. So we have a scenario that we are using an electronic store data set. So the manager wants to calculate the total revenue using quantity and sold price column. So since the calculation should be done by row level, so the sum function will not work in this case. So let us see how the SUMX function is used inside Power BI. So now I'm inside Power BI and I have filtered two orders to explain SUMX function. So for these two orders, we have the quantity of units sold. So for the first order, we have six quantities sold, and the unit price for each quantity is 63.5. So same way, we have some quantity of units for other order, and we have the unit price. So let us see how the SUMX function differs from the sum function. So I'm in my Excel now, and I have those two values here. So for example, if I am summing this column, like if I am summing the quantity alone, and I will have 7 here. And if I am summing my price column separately, this will give me 175.8. So, so if I am multiplying these two totals, I will get a wrong result for my scenario. So I will multiply this. So this final value is completely wrong for my business scenario. I will tell you how it differs from SUMX function. So since I need the operation to be done by row level, I will do it here and let's see the result later. So now if I am summing these two values, see now we have the different total. So this is the exact total of total revenue for these two orders. So in the same way, in order to do the calculation by row level, we have to use SUMX function inside Power BI. So now I hope you understand the difference between sum and SUMX function. So let me write the full DAX for SUMX function here. So I will create a new measure and let me give a name like total sales or revenue. So I'm going to use my SUMX function here. So the syntax for SUMX function is I have to give a table where my columns are present. So this is the table and I will write my expression here. So I want to multiply my units sold with the price for each quantity. So this expression which performs the calculation for each rows and give us the total sales for our orders. So now I can use this measure here and we have the total sales for all orders in our store, and I can also see this by each category. So now you can see that for all categories we have the total revenue numbers which has been calculated by using SUMX function. So I hope you understood the SUMX function, and it is pretty much simple that it takes the expression and does the calculation by row. So this is how SUMX function is used inside Power BI. So thanks for watching this video.